Is it the right time to buy or sell Boeing stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Boeing. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Explore the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 31, 2024, our system has ranked Boeing as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.33. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock is currently showing a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. If you're considering investing in this stock, it's important to take note of its current trend. Right now, the stock is in the lower part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This could actually present a great buying opportunity for you. However, if the lower trend floor at $200.76 is broken, it may indicate a slower rate of rising and even a potential shift in the trend. So keep an eye out for any signs of a trend reversal. Looking at the 3-month trend, there's a possibility of a 7.57% change in the next 3 months. This means there's a potential return between 2.33% and 39.53% if you decide to invest. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 6.85% change over the next year. This opens up a potential return ranging from -7.74% to 34.83%. In terms of price, it could mean a range of $194.71 to $284.55 after a year. Our latest daily update for Boeing includes the headline, "Strong Day for Boeing Stock Price on Wednesday rising 5.29% to $211.04. The Boeing stock price had a positive gain of 5.29% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 31, 2024. It rose from $200.44 to $211.04. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated 5.18%, reaching a low of $203.25 and a high of $213.77. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 3.93% overall gain in the stock price. Volume also increased on the last day, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 8 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 21 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.54 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $267.49, while the lowest price was $176.25. Currently, the stock price is 21.1% below the 52-week high, which is a difference of $56.45. It is also 52.68% below the all-time high, which was reached on March 1, 2019, with a price of $446.01. Analyst ratings. Susquehanna gave Boeing a positive grade with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Barclays gave Boeing an equal weight grade with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Citigroup gave Boeing a buy grade with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. RBC Capital gave Boeing an outperform grade with a hold action on Tuesday, January 9, 2024. Goldman Sachs gave Boeing a buy grade with a hold action on Tuesday, January 9, 2024. Analysts have given Boeing stock a general sell rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong sell and the price to book as a strong sell. The analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating for return on investment. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Boeing stock. Let's dive in. First, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 5.29%. This indicates a positive trend until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. This is a good technical signal as volume is rising along with the price. However, there are some negative signals to consider that may influence the near short-term development of the stock. While the short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. This means the stock has a more negative forecast overall. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $235.09. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be some support from the short-term average at $207.09. To further analyze the stock's performance, a breakup through the long-term average would give another buy signal. Conversely, a fall below the short-term average would add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal that occurred 14 days ago. The short-term moving average also gave a buy signal 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is showing a sell signal that happened 18 days ago. If we look at the relation between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 16 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 22 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that happened 8 days ago. When we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Boeing. Boeing currently has support from accumulated volume at $203.06. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity when the stock reaches this level, as we can expect an upwards reaction. However, it's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile during the day, which makes it a high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that the stock had a price movement of $10.52 between its highest and lowest points in the last trading session, which is equivalent to 5.18%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.25%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Boeing, let's first take a moment to understand some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio helps us evaluate a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either facing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies, at times, may experience downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistent negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 24, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Boeing. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Boeing is at $211.61. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Boeing faces its first support level at $203.06. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market and anticipate a rebound. The average rating for Boeing from multiple analysts is sell. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Pope Stephanie F. sold 629,249 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Raymond David Christopher bought 0 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Raymond David Christopher bought 0 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Raymond David Christopher bought 0 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Raymond David Christopher bought 0 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 131.846. Overall, insiders purchased 220,244 shares and sold 28,390 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $202.13, which represents a decrease of 4.22% from its current price. This particular stock tends to have significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. However, we have identified a buy signal based on a pivot bottom that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Boeing stock a good buy? While Boeing does have some positive signals, we believe it is not enough to consider it a buy candidate. Currently, it should be seen as a hold candidate or an opportunity to accumulate more shares, as we await further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and movements of the stock in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 1st, we anticipate Boeing to open with a decrease of $1.69, starting at a price of $209.35. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading involves a high risk of losing money. We highly recommend speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial that you don't solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current state of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think the target for this stock should be? We appreciate your support, so don't forget to like and subscribe. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest, we hope you have a successful trading day and enjoy the beauty of life.